Imagine waking up in New York to find the city buried under feet of snow, with temperatures plummeting and winds howling at 85 miles per hour. This was the reality during the Great Blizzard of 1888, one of the most severe weather events in U.S. history. Over March 11 to 14, a devastating snowstorm struck, isolating the city and bringing everyday life to a halt. With over 400 fatalities and 200 ships wrecked, the blizzard exposed the vulnerabilities of urban infrastructure. Trains and telegraph lines were down, streets were deserted, and towering drifts trapped people indoors. This catastrophe sparked crucial changes in urban planning, leading to underground utility cables and improved public transit, transforming the future of metropolitan resilience.